If you understand this idea, your future self will definitely thank you. Hi, all of you. My name is Chetan Singh. I'm trying to spread positivity in people's life through my words. Along with that, I have a keen desire to become a fluent English speaker. So that's why I'm recording this video in this language. And the thing I was talking about is something we all struggle with in our day to day life. Certainly, we have different goals and we try to achieve them through our small steps every day. Is that ever happen with you when you feel you are not moving ahead? You always break your goals, you always break your consistency, you are not going on the path of your success. Have you ever felt this thing because of your inconsistent efforts? Let me tell you one thing. You are not behind. You are not behind because you are doing inconsistent efforts. You are feeling behind because you are cursing yourself about this. Nothing is perfect in this life. Not even a single day is going to be perfect day for you. Not for me. Being a human, we always have something or other to look after. That's why I don't think that we can give our full focus to something until you are properly assigned to that work. But it is not a case with us. We have lot of things to do. We have to be accountable for our family. We have to be accountable for our health. We have to be accountable for other than 10 matters that are pending. So it's not easy to be perfect for your daily tasks that you do in order to achieve your goal. If you are achieving or if you are able to accomplish 80% of your daily task, then it is also enough. I'm not saying that, please don't get me wrong, that uh, you don't have to achieve 100%. You should if you can, but don't curse yourself for not completing everyday things, for not giving your 100%. You can only try for it, and you must try harder to achieve 100%. But if it doesn't happen somehow, don't beat yourself up for that, because you know what kind of circumstances are there in front of you. Only you are aware about them, nobody else. Sometime we see some motivational videos or watch something that ignites our power, and we sort of decide that from tomorrow onward I'll break it, I'll fire it. But after 1 or 2 days you come back to your previous routine, and you start to feel demotivated and start to feel that i'm I'm worth of nothing, I can't achieve anything because I'm not able to do my daily tasks on time, or I'm not able to do the proper hard work which is required. But if you know that you are trying for it, then you don't have to be worried about it. Because if a person tries things again and again, one day or the other they get to reach to that level. Definitely, that consistency doesn't come easily in life. You have to practice for that. Everything demands practice in life. you know if you see the other way around, your inconsistent habit is also a aftermath of your practice. It came from the years of practice. Let's suppose you are wired to wake up late in the morning. You are wired to use your social media from last couple of years. Then how you can expect it to leave in some days or in some months? Certainly it is going to take a time, so you have to give that time to yourself. You have to take actions. Yeah, it's important to keep an eye on your growth. Sometimes we compare ourselves with achievers who has achieved something big in life in their struggling time, and everybody can relate with me, I think. Whoever has a big goal or whoever has a dream in life to be something, to be someone, they can relate that whenever we read or watch or listen about someone's story, we kind of feel that if they can do, then we should also do, we should also work hard. But you have to remind yourself that you are not living in the same world. Now you have 10 times more distraction than they have in their times, so it's not easy to conquer everything. Just start to pick up one thing. If you want to wake up early, incorporate any other habit, just pick one thing and work on that. And in the journey, don't expect perfection from yourself. I always believe in this line: you don't have to be perfect to start, you have to start to be perfect. And consistency doesn't mean you have to keep doing the work day and night. You have no breaks, but it means whenever you fall apart, you gather yourself again and you come on the track again to conquer your world. That is called consistency. But if you are falling apart and just crying for wasting your time, then you are actually wasting your time. But if you suddenly get the consciousness and you know the importance of every second, then you will get up again. You will start your journey again instead of sitting there and feeling guilty about your mistake. So don't chase perfection, chase actions. So that is all I wanted to convey you from my words today. I hope you have gained something and I am able to add some value in your life. That is my real motto behind recording these videos, along with becoming a fluent English speaker. Thank you for watching up to this point. We will meet in next video. Until then, take care and always remember, we all have to be the change to see the change. Thank you.